Kim Chu reveals shocking details about ABS-CBN's new franchise. Welcome back to Celebrity Hub. Today, we have some exciting and intriguing news about the one and only Kim Chu, the Chanita princess, herself. She's making waves again, this time because of her revelation about ABS-CBN's new franchise. In a recent press conference, Kim dropped a major bombshell that left fans and the entertainment industry buzzing. After years of waiting, ABS-CBN is taking bold steps with a new franchise, and Kim couldn't hold back her excitement. Sobrang saya ko at proud ako sa ABS-CBN. Finally, isang bagong chapter ang magsisimula. Hindi lang para sa kumpanya, pero para sa lahat ng Pilipino, Kim shared with a glowing smile. But what exactly did Kim reveal? According to her, the new franchise will focus on revolutionizing the entertainment experience, reaching even more Filipinos worldwide through cutting-edge technology and innovative content. She teased that ABS-CBN is planning to launch shows that will set a new standard in Philippine television. Kim, who has been with ABS-CBN for years, expressed her gratitude. Isa ako sa mga nabigyan ng platform ng ABS-CBN. Kaya proud akong makita ang patuloy nilang paglaban at pagtulong sa industriya at sa mga Pilipino. This new franchise will change everything. Fans couldn't help but react with joy on social media. Comments like, "Kim, you're always an inspiration," and "ABS-CBN's comeback will be bigger than ever, and we'll support them all the way," flooded Twitter and Instagram. ABS-CBN's new franchise promises to open more opportunities for artists and workers in the entertainment industry, a move that Kim believes is a win for everyone. What do you think about this exciting news? Is ABS-CBN ready to reclaim its throne as the leading network in the country? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Celebrity Hub for more updates about your favorite stars. See you in the next video.